This New Year's, I was married for 15 years. I'm only 34. And I'll never forget when I fell in love with her. We was all sitting around at the Olive Garden. We was eating. But she let out a fart. Oh my God. And she looked over at me and she said, "I ain't wearing no panties." About 2 minutes later, she's like, "I shouldn't have trusted that one went to that, but after that, I fell in love with her." But, you know, the first few years were kind of rough, and this song's kind of about that. Gotta hold your mouth right for that part. Well, you say I never talk from my heart. Now's a good time to stop. And I hate all your lesbian friends. And that's where all our trouble begins. I hate the way you blame it on me. I wish you were more like your sister, girl. She was easy. That's hard to learn right there, Sam. Seriously, it takes a strong pinky. I saw panties on the floor. My door key don't work no more. But the window's up, I slipped on in. And I caught you with your lesbian friend. You say I never talk from my heart. Now's a good time to start. Girl, I love your lesbian friends. Ever since you let me join in. I love you, babe.
Love you.
I always told her I'd write a song about her. You know? That's real love you're seeing right there, boy.